Hey DIYers, I was first introduced to Pantone in the 1980s when I was studying fashion at FIT in New York City. You might know Pantone from the Pantone Color of the Year, which by the way is Peach Fuzz for 2024. The Pantone color system is most often used to communicate color requirements from the designer to the manufacturer to ensure color accuracy. And I would use it when we would have fabrics printed in other parts of the world. Recently, Royal Talens partnered with Pantone to create a line of markers and inks. And these Talens Pantone markers and inks are amazing. The markers are dual tip, so each marker has a chisel tip and a brush tip. And you are going to love using them. Today I am revisiting the 80s and fashion illustrating some fabrics and prints. This is a great way to learn how to create prints on your fashion illustrations. Are you ready? Let's fashion illustrate. Fashion illustration began in the 16th century when global exploration and discovery led to a fascination with the dress and costume of people in many nations around the world. In 1858, English couturier Charles Frederick Worth established the first haute couture house in Paris, championing exclusive luxury fashion for the upper-class woman and coining the term fashion designer, an artist in lieu of the basic dressmaker. In 1908, the phrase haute couture was used for the first time. In 1945, new specifications for La Chambre Syndicale de la Haute Couture were established. Designs must be made to order for private clients with one or more fittings. Each atelier must have at least 20 members of staff, and each season, the couture house must present a collection of at least 35 runs with both daytime and evening wear to the Paris press. gonna leave a link for everything I used in this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want some more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts. And I will see you real soon. Bye!